Hi guys! Welcome, and my name is Maurelle. I am a calligrapher and a lettering artist, and today I would like to share with you the newest product of Chameleon, which are the fine liners. So these fine liners, they have a dual ink system. So that means that there is ink on the pen itself and in the cap. All right, so it's color blending, so which is very good. I will demonstrate it to you in a bit. I just want to share with you more about it. So it's water-based, it's washable, it's dry safe ink, and it won't bleed on most paper. And this, for a calligrapher like me, that's very important, or for any lettering artist. And also, what my favorite feature of it is that even if you leave out the cap for about, let's say, 2 days, you forgot about it, you were so busy and doing your creative work, and you leave it off, you'll be amazed because even after that, there will still be ink on your pen. All right, so I would like to do a simple demonstration of how it works. So let's say I will pick up two pens. So I have here a purple shade, VO4, and I have a red shade, which is the RD4. All right, so let's say I will take off these caps and I'll put the purple cap on the red pen, and I will let it stay there for, let's say, just 5 seconds. So the blending, it will depend on how long you put it there. So if you just want like a really short one, then maybe a few seconds will do. So now I'm holding a red pen, but as you can see, I am starting to have a purple ink coming out of it. And the more you write, as you write, this will gradually transition to a red. So I hope you can see it, but now it's gradually transitioning to a red shade. So my favorite part here is, of course, the blending. There you go. So as you can see, it's doing that very beautiful ombre effect from the deep purple down to the light, and then the combination, and then until it becomes the red ink. So there are so many potential. You can do a lot of design, drawing. You can use it for your planner if you're doing bullet journaling, if you're doing of course lettering, which what I love to do most. But I can say there's so much that you can do with this one. And as I mentioned, there are 48 colors to choose from. So many combinations. I also tried 3. There's so much in here. I also want to show to you if I combine 3 different colors. So let's do that again, and then I'll pick a yellow shade. So let's try this out. So what I will do is I'll start with the purple. I will take the cap off, and then I will put the red. So again, this is the VO4, and then I will put the cap of the RD4. All right, so maybe for 3 seconds. And then I will take that off, and then I will add another color, a yellow shade, which is the YO2. So I will put that in there for another 3 seconds, and let's see what it will show. So there you go. So hopefully you can see that yellow shade, and now it's beautifully transitioning to the red and doing that ombre effect, and now it's purple, right? So it's so beautiful, so amazing things that you can do with it. I'm pretty sure you're having something in your mind already. But today, what I will be sharing with you is what we call fall calligraphy,